Ever wondered how the humble slow cooker manages to transform raw ingredients into a mouth-watering meal while you're away at work? The slow cooker, a seemingly simple kitchen gadget, has been a game-changer for many of us. Its popularity has grown exponentially due to its simplicity and convenience, but the question remains, how does this culinary enigma work its magic? It's a puzzle that has left many scratching their heads. This video will take you on a step-by-step journey of using a slow cooker. Unpacking the slow cooker, you'll find it quite simple. A heating base, a stoneware pot, and a lid. Let's break down these components, shall we? The heating base, often circular, is the heart of the operation. Powered by electricity, it generates heat that circulates around the pot. Your food doesn't come in direct contact with this heat, but rather, it's the stoneware pot that does. This pot, sitting snugly in the heating base, evenly distributes the heat to your food, ensuring a slow and steady cooking process. The lid, typically made of glass, locks in the heat and moisture, allowing for a steamy environment that tenderizes your food to perfection. It's the synergy of these three components that makes the magic happen. The slow cooker is not about speed, but about patience. It's a dance of heat, time, and moisture. With these elements, the slow cooker creates a hot and steamy environment perfect for cooking. Using a slow cooker is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, you'll want to prepare your ingredients. Depending on your recipe, this could include chopping veggies, cutting meat into chunks, or measuring out spices. Remember, slow cooking is all about letting the flavors meld together over time, so don't skimp on the seasoning. Next, you'll want to layer your ingredients in the pot. Start with the ingredients that take the longest to cook, usually root vegetables or tougher cuts of meat. Then layer on the rest of the ingredients, finishing off with your liquid of choice. Just a quick tip: don't fill your slow cooker more than 2/3 full to avoid overflows and ensure even cooking. Once your ingredients are in, it's time to set your temperature and cooking time. Most slow cookers have two settings, low and high. A general rule of thumb is that 1 hour on high is roughly equivalent to 2 hours on low. So if your recipe calls for 6 hours on low, but you're in a bit of a rush, you can set it to high for 3 hours instead. As for the cooking time, this will also depend on your recipe. A hearty stew might need 6 to 8 hours, while a tender chicken dish could be ready in 4 to 5. The beauty of slow cooking is that it's quite forgiving, so if you're running late from work, your meal won't be ruined. When the cooking time is up, be sure to let your dish rest for about 15 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to settle and the heat to distribute evenly. Lastly, when it comes to serving your meal, the best part about using a slow cooker is that you can serve right from the pot. No need for extra dishes or transferring food, and voila, your meal is ready to serve straight from the pot. So, what's the fuss about slow cookers? Well, let's take a moment to summarize the main points we've covered about these fantastic kitchen gadgets. To put it simply, slow cookers bring a unique blend of simplicity, convenience, and culinary excellence to your kitchen. First off, the simplicity. Slow cookers are all about the set-it-and-forget-it approach. You can throw in your ingredients, set the timer, and then go about your day without a second thought. There's no need to stand over a hot stove, stirring and adjusting temperatures. Next, the convenience. Slow cookers are a busy person's best friend. They allow you to prepare meals in advance, freeing up your time for other tasks. Whether you're working from home or running errands, your slow cooker is there, quietly doing its thing in the background. But it's not just about making life easier. Slow cookers are also about making life tastier. They're the secret weapon for creating delicious home-cooked meals. The slow, gentle cooking process brings out the flavors in food in a way that other cooking methods just can't match. Your stews become richer, your meats more tender, and your vegetables perfectly cooked, so there you have it. With a slow cooker, you're not just investing in a kitchen appliance, you're investing in a lifestyle change. You're choosing simplicity, convenience, and flavor over stress and fast food. With a slow